guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Raya here. If this is the first time watching my videos, do subscribe to my channel down below. I post videos every week. For today's video, I'll be styling 4 types of hijabs. I'll be styling a matte satin silk, a satin silk, a chiffon, as well as a square scarf, also known as a bawal. I'll start with the first shawl. This is my chiffon shawl. It looks like this. Chiffon shawls are typically a little bit more see-through, so kalau you nak pakai ni, make sure it's a dark color or else nanti nampak like your neck. Atau you can wear like an inner, something like this. This is the inner that I'm wearing. This is actually from Duck. This is their necktie, I think. This is the necktie. I only like necktie because tak macam cekik in my neck, you know what I mean? You know, some inners when you wear, you macam rasa macam nak. So yeah, I like this one because it's stretchable at the back, so I tak rasa tercekik. So this is the short one and this is the long one. So what I like to do is, once I have the short and long side, this one I fold a bit and then I will pin it here. You see? Like here, I'll pin it here, okay? Okay, so it looks like this now. See the dangly side? Okay, macam tu. And this part you adjust lah how you want. So the short side tadi ni you just letak kat belakang je macam ni, just campak dia je. Okay, then nanti because it's chiffon kan, so it's very easy to just like style and macam terletak, you know, so dia macam behave gitu lah. And then okay, macam gini, I'll put my fingers here and then bring the other side. Okay, so you see ada macam flat gini kan. Some people prefer it to be like this, you know, so that they have their face shape, but some people prefer it loose. For me, I prefer it loose, so I'll just keep it like this. I'll take this pin and then I'll pin it here. I'll keep like a bit terkeluar macam ni. But one thing about this, whenever I use this kind of style, when I eat, sometimes the crumbs will like fall over here and it's so embarrassing. So if you use this kind of style, please make sure to always like check this area, okay? So you don't want any food left over here. And then there's another side yang kat sini you belum pin, you pin together like over here. Okay, this is how it looks like. Macam ni. See, it's like cover your chest, and then the back is quite lengthy as well. I'll show you how it looks like from the back. So this is style number 1. I love this style when I use chiffon sebab dia macam terletak and it's easy to shape, and because it's chiffon, it follows when you drape around your face. So the next one we have is a square scarf, also known as bawal. I don't typically wear bawal because I just don't like it how it looks like on my face, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just put it on for you and style it. Since bawal is a square scarf, right? I'll fold it in such a way that it's a triangle. Can you guys tell? And then I'll flip it over my head. Okay, this bawal has like rhinestones. So for the square scarf, I'll put it right in the middle of my face. Ya Allah. Okay, and then I'll fold it here. This part, I folded the sides. There's 2 sides, and you can fold as deep as you want, but this is how I like it. And then I'm gonna pin yang kat sini ni. I'll use a safety pin and then just pin it over here. Okay, so I have the 2 sides equal macam gini. Just leave it here for a while, and then the other side And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna ikat. You're gonna tie this at the back. Okay, and then at the front it looks like this. This is a very good style if macam you pakai jubah or you wear like super long dresses and or you have a lot of details that you want to show like around here. I like this style also because dia senang, macam everything is up to the back, so dia macam tak kacau like your food ke, kalau you nak makan ke macam terkena, you know what I mean, and especially time raya. This is very neat. You can just push everything to the back, tie it. You don't even need to use a pin except for one kat sini. Actually kalau you tak nak pakai this one pun boleh. This is not necessary. This is very optional. And then if you want to pin kat sini pun boleh, so that the whole shawl doesn't move around. But yeah, this is how I look like. So the next shawl is actually my favorite. This is a matte satin silk from Duck. Okay, dia macam panjang macam gini, and the reason why I like matte satin silk is because it feels almost like satin silk, but it has more of a dull texture, and it's not super shiny, and it's easy to shape as well. For this shawl, it has like their charm kat sini. I have to make sure where I want to place the charm. Usually I'll put it at the back. My short and my long side is terbalik, is the opposite. My short side is now on my left. As compared to the first style, my short is actually on my right, but now this is on my left because of the charm. Because of this charm. Place it on my head first. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll pull it to the back. Make sure that the charm kat belakang macam ni. And then I'll bring the other side. Okay, so yang ni I'll just pin kat sini dulu. You can just use any type of pin. Okay, so you bring everything from the other side just now. So you pull. Okay, so I know it looks very messy right now, but don't worry, relax. Because it's a matte satin silk, right? And for Duck, like their front and the back is very different. So you can tell this is the front. You can tell this is the back. Lipat kat sini sikit. And then bring it back here. So because you folded this side, right? You can also fold this side to make it even. Together with this side and this one, you pin it together. Okay, so now you have like a bunch of this, right? You ada ni and you ada ni because of the short side just now. So what you can do is just leave it. So you have a lot of fabric here, and the back will look something like this. Macam ni. Or if you don't want to have a lot of fabric over here, you can just put everything inside. So what I like to do is, instead of putting it inside your baju, you hide it here. If you tuck everything inside, it will look like this. So it's very kemas. So this is how I look like. Alright, so for the last style, I'll be using my satin silk shawl. This is from Duck as well. And once again, diorang ada dia punya charm kat tepi. Now the thing about satin silk is that it's very flowy. Like, it's very flowy, and at the same time it's super shiny as well. You can fold it and then pin as how you like it. This time I'm gonna use a normal pin and just pin it here. Okay, the short side I'll just leave it. I'm not going to do anything about it. And then for this long side, I'm gonna see, this is the thing also I like about satin, is that it's very flowy. Okay, so it really follows the shape. So you have the short side like this, and then you have the super long side. So for the super long side kan, I like to like pin it at the back here, so that it doesn't fall off your shoulders. You can adjust if you want this part to be a little bit more lower, but I think this is fine for me. Okay, it's just nice. So I'm gonna pin here. And then for more secure, so to be more secure, I'm gonna pin this side as well. So dia macam tak terturun, tak ternaik, tak terturun, tak ternaik. You know, especially the satin shawl, right? So you can see there's a brooch here, but it will just be covered with the shawl. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You have a short side, like this. It'll be super long at the back. Yeah, this is also a super simple style, and I love this style sebab it's very flowy. This will be great kalau you pakai a very simple baju kurung, or if you're wearing kebaya also can. This gives a little bit more drama, you know, you have a little bit drama going on at the back, right here. So those are the 4 hijab styles that are suitable for Eid, for Hari Raya, but you can also wear it for an everyday wear. I'm super excited that Raya is just around the corner. If I'm not wrong, it's next Sunday. And I hope you guys have gotten your baju Raya. I know this is during the pandemic times and we might not even be able to go out and visit our relatives, but that's okay. You can still wear your baju Raya at home and be very glam. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned to my next one because I'll be doing a Raya makeup tutorial. So do comment down below in the comment section on the makeup looks that you want me to do a tutorial on. I will definitely read every single one of them. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys stay safe, stay home, and see you guys in my next one. Bye!